Are you a certified medical coder? Have you completed your CPC certification few days back, but you don't know what to do after getting your CPC certification? It's okay, don't worry. Here I am going to tell you what are the things you need to do after receiving your CPC certification from AAPCs. My name is Harish, medical coder, process trainer, content creator for Fast Coder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel, you are going to get latest updates about Azure 10 CM, CPT, HeekPix, and latest job updates, and also you are going to get free CU webinar details. So anyone wants to come into medical coding field, the gold standard rule is to getting CPC certification. So as all of us know, if you are having CPC certification, you can go and directly you can search for the job. So the people who are studied or who are studying life science background most of the time trying to enter into medical coding field, as life science graduates are very easy to understand medical coding process compared to all other specialties. So most of the coders taking the trainings and doing more hard work to pass CPC examination and also getting good results with good pass percentages. But most of the coders don't know what to do after getting CPC certification. So in this session, I am going to explain you what you need to do after getting your CPC certification from AAPC. If you want to know about complete CPC certification process and also the things which you need to do after getting CPC certification, please watch this video until the end, and also please like, comment, share and subscribe. So today our topic is tips for APC's newly certified medical coders. Here I am going to explain you things about CPCA removal and submitting CUs. In order to teach you easily, I have created 4 steps, and now we will learn each by one and one by one, step by step. So first one is CPC versus CPCA. Basically, CPCA means Certified Professional Coder Apprentice. Most of the time, after completing your CPC certification with A status, don't think that you will get the job easily. Basically, CPCA means you have completed your certification, but you don't know any working knowledge about medical coding specialties. If you want to enter into CPC or completely experienced medical coder, using your CPC, you need to join in the hospitals, patient services, and account receivable, and prioritization, and the front desk. Basically, these are the not the roles, the intention of writing CPC, but these are very essential if you are having CPCA. Why means CPCA means you are novice, you don't know anything about the medical coding process. Without wasting your time after getting your CPC certification, you can join in account receivables if you are in India, and you can join as a front desk also. Why means all these specialties utilize medical coding in their job. For example, if you take billing, here billing people will do the CPT codes or ICD-10 CM codes provided by the medical coders. So if you are working in billing, you are going to have good knowledge about CPC, CPT and ICD-10 CM codes. These are very essential in order to grow in healthcare sector. So after having proper experience in billing process, usually we'll call it as medical billing, you can get promotion as a medical coder where you are working as a medical biller. So if you are a certified medical coder and recently completed CPC certification, don't waste your time. So wherever, whenever it is possible, try to join in any healthcare organization where the companies will utilize or usually medical coding. Next one is interviews. So as a fresher medical coder, no one will give you job with CPCA certification. If God grace, if you get any interview also, you need to prepare about anatomy and physiology related to the human body systems. The, the interviews for freshers also different. Few companies will ask face-to-face question and answers, and few companies will conduct written examinations. In written examination or face-to-face interviews, so they will ask you about mostly about medical terminology, and they will ask you about what is medical coding and what are the code sets in the medical coding, like those basic questions related to the medical coding. If you are a fresher, the interviewer will ask you the emotional question and answer. If you want to know complete emotional or behavioral health common interview question and answer, you can check our YouTube channel. We have one video related to behavioral interview question and answers. Now I will tell you about maintaining credentials like CU submission. So this is the AAP's login site where you need to use your username and password. As soon as you enter APC website, you will get all these details. You are going to get your membership details, and also you are going to know your customer ID, your certification overview, your purchases, subscriptions, courses and exams, certifications and CUS, profiles and preferences, your membership status, benefits, your local chapter and CU vendor, and logout. In order to remove your CPCA or apprentice status, you need to have 2 years experience as a live medical coder, or otherwise APC offers two types of programs where you can utilize those two programs and you can remove your CPCA. So first one is Practicode and next one is Project Extern. So these both are the AAPC's flagship programs where you can utilize those Practicode and Project Extern, and you will get live experience, and automatically APC will remove your CPCA. So now we will know about how to write your Healthcare Business Monthly. Just you need to come here and you need to click on Healthcare Business Monthly. So this is the November month. So you need to click on. So here, if you want to write Healthcare Business Monthly, to have two options. Just click on Test Yourself, and then you will get all these things. So after getting your CPC certification within 2 years, you need to submit 36 CUs. APC will provide all those CUs using these healthcare business monthly as well as the local chapter webinars. So local chapter webinars are very free. You don't need to pay any money for those webinars. So if you follow our fast code of 21, you can get all the latest updates about free AAPC, free CU webinars. And also along with 36 CUs within 2 years, and also you need to have yearly base membership renewal. So if you don't have any job, you need to renew your membership yearly. So if you are having the job, if you got the job as a medical coder, so the company will provide the membership renewal fee. You don't need to pay your fee. So after entering into the healthcare business monthly, you have three options. First one is e-magazine. So this is basically software. So you don't need to worry about here. Just you need to enter your login ID and password. You can start learning. So next one is download PDF. So in order to write these 20 question and answers, see here, you need to read this magazine completely. So these are very important magazines in order to strong and in order to gain more knowledge about medical coding process. So this healthcare business monthly includes all the types of medical coding stuff where you can use this while live coding. So you need to read this book completely so that we are going to get more knowledge about your medical coding, and we are going to get latest updates about medical coding process. So it includes knowledge related to ICD-10 CM, CPT, EPICS, as well as billing process also. See here, for example, if you don't know the coding CKD and ESRD. If you follow this healthcare business monthly, you are going to get all the knowledge about CKD. So these are the things you are going to get using this healthcare business monthly. Most of the time these magazines are having 68 to 70 pages. So you need to read all these pages and you need to write your CPC certification or healthcare business monthly question and answers. Now I will show you where do you write the question and answers here. So after completing reading this healthcare business monthly magazine, you need to come here and click on test yourself. So as soon as you click on that test yourself, if you want to download that PDF, you need to click on download PDF. So now it is the time for question and answers. Here you are having nearly 20 questions. You need to read this healthcare business monthly magazine and you need to write this 20 questions. Also, after writing all your questions, you need to click on grade. So it will provide you the answers, correct answer and wrong answers. So after that, just you need to check here. So if you complete or if you keep 20 questions correctly only, you will get the certificate. Otherwise, you will not get. If you see here, you have 3 attempts to left the pass the quiz before being locked out for 1 hour. So within 1 hour, you can attempt 3 times. You need to remember that within 1 hour, you can attempt 3 attempts in order to pass all these questions. You are having 20 question and answers here. You need to correct all 20 question and answers. So after correcting all those, you will get the certificate of CEUs. So next one is stay in touch. So always try to follow YouTube channels like FastCoder21 where you are going to get more latest updates about ICD-10 CPT, HICPICS, and also FastCoder21 is having WhatsApp groups, Instagram groups, as well as Facebook groups also. So you need to have good networking with the medical coding companies. Always try to go to medical coding companies websites and check their career portal in order to find any suitable job. So if you have any doubt, if you don't understand anything, just to keep it in the comment section of this video. So I will try to provide more valuable suggestion for you. So thank you. Thanks for visiting FastCoder21. If you like this session, please click on like button in order to motivate me, and also due to your motivation, I will provide more valuable videos which you can utilize in order to grow in your medical coding career.